if you ever been in a relationship for all of the nigga them where watch this right now, at one point in your life, you get jealous. None of man comment on the video and say, yo, this never happened to them because I lie not tell. Let's get to the video. Now, everybody know what insecure mean. Lacking self-confidence. Most of the time, a man is very insecure knowing that him owns something and don't want to share it. You don't know what you're putting in a something or where you're going to get out. So you putting in insecurity in a relationship, you're bound to get that back. Insecurity can mean whole heap of something. Fear of loss, jealousy, all of that. Now everybody on this planet have some kind of insecurity about something. Man, woman, anybody. And if anybody ever tell me say them don't, them might tell a fucking lie. Maybe you have the low one or the high level one with buck. Because if you do some fucked up shit, all of the guys them wanna know they're insecure. Anytime I do shit like this.
Hello?
Oh, babes.
Nothing much, sitting here chilling.
How are you there?
Nothing much, sitting here watching TV. What about you?
Hold on, shh. Which man voice that?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? It's just me.
Which one voice I'm just here?
Babes, what are you talking about? It's just me in the fucking house. What are you talking about? Hold on, somebody's at the door. Hello? Yo, what the fuck is you doing?
No, when you're insecure, that fall under jealousy, and with jealousy come a whole heap of something. Nigga, check your phone.
Damn, babe, break your neck.
Wow. Most of the time, man can't help it but be insecure.
Shit, nah. Wait. Alright, you never feel so this morning.
Babe, what is you talking about?
No, like right around the corner, this never feel. So it feel weird.
Babe, what is you talking about? It's all yours.
No. Nice.
This is yours. What are you talking about?
You're wicked.
I know when me did in my relationship, me did insecure. I never fully trust her, but I have that trust in her.
John, you so crazy.
Oh, so you need to text John?
Babe, what is you talking about?
Now tell me that.
You remember
Why
John?
you come out of me house? No.
Babe, you remember John Nate? Babe.
Comment, subscribe and rate. I'm out.